Are you taking a cruise to St. Maarten? Stopping here at the port in Phillipsburg? If so, I've got a way for you to save some money on a self-led excursion. So, you're here in Phillipsburg, St. Maarten. You're docked across the bay there. There are two ways that you can get downtown to Phillipsburg. One is you can just walk along the sidewalk, or you can take one of the water taxis that'll bring you right up to the dock here. I think they cost about $7 round trip, so it's pretty cheap to get into town without having to do a lot of walking. But you say, wait a minute, I want to see the airplanes landing over Maho Beach, Airplane Beach. Well, I can tell you exactly how to get there for $4. $2 each way. Take a bus, one of the local buses. I'm Corey with Mountains to Sea Crew. I've been coming to St. Maarten for over 15 years. Every year that we come, we use the buses extensively. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. All right, so you've made your way to the boardwalk here in Phillipsburg, St. Maarten. We're in town today with no cruise ships in, so there's not a whole lot going on right now, but if there are cruise ships in, this boardwalk is going to be packed. There's going to be people all over the beaches and lots of people wanting to see the sights of St. Maarten. But what are you going to do? Well, if you want to catch a local bus, come to this point right here between the Omega shop and the Diamonds International. There's an open walkway that leads up to the courthouse. What we're gonna do is we're gonna walk past that courthouse, either side, doesn't really matter, and go to the next street. I'll take you there now. All right, so once you make it down to the end of the street here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna look for a bus. You're gonna look for a bus that says Maho or Mullet Bay on the front of it, and that's gonna take you to Maho.
Step to the corner, feel the breeze on your face. The bus is coming, no need to race. Wave your hand up high like a catch in the sky. Hop aboard, my friend, it's an easy ride. Ride the rhythm bus, it's the island way. Stops and starts all through the day. From Marigold to Phillipsburg, sway, sway, sway. Hop on and go your own way. See the numbers painted bright on the glass. Route signs tell you where you'll
once you get off the bus here in Maho, you just walk down the sidewalk here until you get to the beach. You can enjoy the beach and all the different places that they have for food and drink here. Watch the airplanes land and take off. And when you're done, just come right back over here. This is probably the best place to go and catch a bus. You stand right there, look for a bus that comes by that says Phillipsburg in the front window. Wave them down and they will take you back to downtown Phillipsburg, and you can head back to your ship from there. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you have, make sure that you give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done that already. And make sure you hit that notification bell so that you never miss another one of our videos. Until next time, guys, from Peaks to Tides, we'll see you on the next ride.
Mountains to sea crew rides. They've been cruising coast to coast, toasting their love, hopping their hops on the water or on the pickleball court. Corey and Lori, they love it all. From peaks to tides, mountains to sea crew rides. From peaks to tides, mountains to sea crew rides. From peaks to tides, mountains to sea crew rides. From peaks